Hi everyone, this is Abhinav from Phone Bunch and today we are unboxing the Canvas Win W121 available for Rs 9500, the first Windows phone from the company, and you can see it features a 1.2 GHz quad-core Snapdragon 200 processor with 3G connectivity. It's a dual SIM smartphone, 5-inch HD IPS display, you have 1 GB RAM, 8 GB ROM which is expandable, primary 8 megapixel autofocus camera with LED flash. You also have a 2 megapixel fixed focus front facing camera. The Canvas Win runs Windows Phone 8.1 right out of the box. You have GPS and a strong 2000 mAh battery as well. So now let's cut open the seals. Now this is not the first foray of Micromax into Windows. Back in the day they made a Windows mobile device, although you might not have heard about that. So folks, at the top you can see it's a Canvas Win W121. I'll keep that aside. Let's see what else we get inside the box. So at the top you have the warranty card and a very large user guide. It basically explains the usage of Windows Phone 8.1 along with several other settings. So first time users will be really grateful. Then you have your USB to micro USB data syncing and charging cable. A very standard affair there. Next up you have your white headset. Now we have seen this headset previously from Micromax as well. These do sound alright and have a single button interface to end and receive calls. Next up you have your 2000 mAh battery. Now you have a USB wall charger for the phone which is rated at 1000 milliampere. You also get a free screen guard which is always nice to see, and that's everything you get inside the box. Folks, this is the Canvas Win W121 with a 5-inch HD IPS display, 1 GB of RAM. You can see the volume rocker on the left as well as the brushed aluminium trim. At the top, 3.5 audio jack, micro USB data syncing and charging port. On the right of the device you have the power button which is very sturdy. At the bottom, space to open the back cover. The back cover has a very nice leather finish. At the top, 8 megapixel camera, LED flash, secondary noise cancellation microphone and the speakerphone at the bottom. The leather texture finish of the back cover makes the phone really easy to hold, and this is actually a very light phone as well. Now if you think you have seen this phone before, it's true because it shares the same design and hardware as the Canvas Elanza 2 A121. The back cover too here is very solid, it's sturdy. On the inside you can see two full-size SIM card slot, a micro SD card slot for storage expansion. Now let's put in the battery and we'll power on the phone for the very first time. That's the battery in. It's a very snug fit, solid construction throughout, which we also saw on the Canvas Elanza 2. Now even with the battery, this phone feels very light. And as I said, the construction is truly solid. There is no creaking and there is no flex in the device. It's actually quite thin as well. The camera protrudes a little bit from the back. So now let's power on the phone and we'll see how Windows Phone 8.1 works on the W121. The phone has begun powering on. The Canvas Win W121 is a very compact device with a 5-inch display. So folks, we have booted up Windows Phone. So let's talk about the front. You have the proximity light sensors up top. You have a 2 megapixel camera, 5-inch HD IPS display and capacitive buttons at the bottom, as well as the primary microphone of the device. Folks, we are back after setting up the Canvas Win W121. You can see the tile layout. You have 3 rows of tiles available here. You don't have to configure that. You can see right there, FM radio is also available on the device. And you have 2 tiles for your phones and messages. It's a dual SIM device. Getting into settings, let's get into about. From here you can see that it's a Canvas Win W121 and you have a 720 by 1280 pixels display running Windows Phone 8.1 right out of the box. And the capacitive buttons do light up. The backlight is strong, that's a good sign. You do have notification toggles in the action center. And you can also add a parallax scrolling wallpaper to your tiles. You have about 5.13 GB that's available to you out of the 8 GB ROM. Now app and app data are movable to the SD card on Windows Phone 8.1. We have already shown that to you. So that's a lot of space available here. Now user experience is always similar on Windows Phone 8.1. So you can check out our overview as well. Now this is the Microsoft camera app, not the Nokia camera which comes on the Lumia devices. Again, it's very easy to use. You can see 8 megapixel images with the rear camera can be taken, and you can capture up to FWVGA videos. The interface is very simple to use, as is Windows Phone by itself. Now scrolling is a bit slow here as well. We saw that on the Lumia 530 and the Lumia 630 as well. You can customize styles. Those options are always available to you on Windows Phone. Performance does feel a little bit sluggish, but the phone has just booted up. The display has great color reproduction. The viewing angles also look wide. Overall, the construction of the phone is truly solid, and at Rs 9500, it's an excellent competition to the Nokia Lumia 630. We'll be back with more on the Canvas Win W121. Till then, you can watch our unboxing of the Lumia 530 and Nokia Lumia 630 dual SIM. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Any questions, let us in the comment section. Thanks for watching and have a great day.